Hi, I'm Santina with WTI. If you're looking for your next fabulous pair of earrings, I want to tell you about these from Gemstone Kings. So one thing that I love about these earrings is you have a little bit of everything. Of course, the main focal point is this beautiful emerald green stone, but you also have some nice extra features. There's a little row of diamonds here, and then you also have a little bit of gold color. So you have some options for matching with different things. Also, they self-close in the back, so you don't have to worry about having separate backs. You can keep your earrings in really easily. And I just think these earrings shine and sparkle so brilliantly. They have such a nice, classy sparkle to them. So I really love them, and that's my point of view.